Today, we are going to learn about dates. Fun facts for the kids. Dates have tons of potassium. This helps you run and play all day long without getting all tired. Blending dates in your favorite plant-based milk and drinking it can help soothe your fever. Young children who are teething can chew on the dates to strengthen their gums. Fun facts for you grown-ups. Do you want to feel fuller longer? Of course you do. Who doesn't? About 10 dates have 27% of your daily fiber intake. If you are watching your figure, you might want to enjoy these sweet little guys in moderation. Grown-ups, are you worried about falling down and not getting back up? Dates have tons of calcium and potassium to keep your bones nice and strong. This plant-based option for calcium is animal-friendly, which means it is also friendly to your body because it doesn't cause any inflammation. Dates are a great pre- and post-workout snack. This goes for you kids as well. They are easy to digest, so it's a great snack during long games, high-endurance activities, and a lot of fun times out on the slopes. Game on, friends!